Okay guys, 3.4, kind of a short and sweet one, parallel and perpendicular lines. We're going to go over Theorem 3.8, the transitive property of parallel lines. If two lines are parallel to the same line, then they are parallel to each other. So if lines M and lines L are parallel, and line R is parallel to line M, then we could go ahead and say that line R is parallel to L. All right, the transitive property of parallel lines. If you have two lines that are parallel to the same line, they are parallel to each other. Theorem 3.8. And then here's Theorem 3.9. In a plane, if two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then they are parallel to each other. So if two lines are perpendicular, here they are, lines P and lines Q, they're both perpendicular to line L. Because they're both perpendicular to the same line, then they're parallel to each other. P and Q would be parallel to each other. And lastly, 3.10, perpendicular transversal theorem. In a plane again, if a line is perpendicular to one of two parallel lines, then it is also perpendicular to the other. So, if I know that a line is, this line is perpendicular to this line right here, then I know it'll also be perpendicular to this line right there. If a line is perpendicular to one of two parallel lines, here's my two parallel lines, if it's perpendicular to one, then it has to be perpendicular to the other. And that's it for 3.4, short and sweet. Bye guys.